Hello, you guys, and welcome back to another Tatum's World. Hello, you guys. Today. Yes, me and the dogs, we're back, you guys, with a lit video. Listen, we started real a little late because we normally post early in the week, but we got you a special surprise today for us being just a tiny late. So today, we are doing the strawberry dry cleaner, the dog's laundry. They're showing you how they do their laundry. How in Tatum's world, in our world, how we get this done. So first we're gonna start with the prices. We got the t-shirt for $2.50, the pants for $3.50, the skirt $4.50, the blouse $7.50, the shirt $5.25, and the gown I think it was $14.50. And you guys, every video that we post every week, we are going to have a secret unicorn somewhere. So pay attention to the video and see if you can locate that secret unicorn. Now over here, we got the hangers, you get your clothes dry clean because they do all this up in here. Yes, they do. They press your clothes. They iron your clothes. Look at super cute, right? Wait. Look at the little spray, linen spray. I'm done. Okay, super cute. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, share the video, and tell your friends and family. They got some dry sheets. They have a washer and dryer and a large washer and dryer. That's two in one. We have some OG suds, super cute, right? We have the 2X laundry detergent. They have everything. Now, right here, this is a counter. You guys, you already know they got the money jar. Don't forget to leave your donation. They got the cash box to collect their money. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, and it say OG dolls wash. Super cute, right? And you already know strawberry dry cleaner. Now, there are two other videos that we put out in the past, but super cute with the laundry day and dry cleaning. So go check those as well. And look, super cute laundry room. As you notice with a lot of my DI, I get to just reuse my background. Super cute, right? Look, they got the basket. They got some clothes in there. They have some more spray. They have a clothesbin. The dirty laundry has people bring their laundry and throw it in there because the dog they do clean laundry. And the special surprise today, you guys, we have a sewing room. Who you know? I'll wait. A girl. A sewing room. So cute, right? Look at that sign. Wash and dry, open 24 hours. Yes, in Tatum's world, we make it happen 24 hours. Here's a cute little shirt that the dogs made. Okay, don't play. This little top right here is a My Life top from Walmart. Look right here, you guys. Let me show you the DIY. Okay, look, that's the dress. When you make clothes and you need somewhere to put the clothes, made that girl, made that. I made this. Super cute, right? Look, they got all types of material. They got some pink material, cloth. They have blue. They have some green with the green lemon. They have some watermelon. They have the sports. They have the baseball. They have the pink and white checks. Look, they even got felt. You ain't got to go to Walmart. Come right here to Tatum's World. You want to come to Tatum's World and come to our sewing room, right to the dogs. You already know that's P.O. Box 65114, Orange Park, Florida 32065. Look, you guys, look at the thread. They got yellow, they got blue, they got pink, they got green, they got white, they got black. Super cute, adorable. Listen, don't play. They got the rhinestone. We got some green. We got some lime green. We got some beautiful royal blue. We have some dark purple back there in the back. Super cute. They have some beads. They have some pink beads, some gold beads, some blue beads, some green beads. Look, they even got glitter. You name it, they got it. Super cute. They got yellow. They got gold. They got orange. They got purple. We got it all up in here. all up in here, okay? Look, they got the scissors. They got some, listen, they got different sizes of scissors because this is a sewing room, okay? So different types of scissors require different type of cutting, depending on the material you're cutting. Look at the cloth. They got some green cloth. They got some blue cloth. They got some red. They have orange. They have yellow. And I'm super surprised when you see that in a little bit. I'm not going to tell you what that design is. I want you to wait to see the surprise. Super cute, right? We got some Minnie. You can't forget Minnie Mouse. You guys, look at the sewing machine. Super cute, right? Listen, it's real. It's real up in here. This is really a mini hand sewing machine. I seen it and I thought, that would be perfect for the dog. Super cute. And look, it's cute. It sits on their table with their scissors, the rhinestone, cute little chair. Oh, so super cute. That is an R generation chair. You got make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're liking the content, because we have a lot of surprises this month. We are posting a video every week. The dolls are on the road for 200 subscribers. We like to thank our subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting us, watching our videos, and we look so much forward to coming to entertain you guys. And like I said, you guys, super cute, right? I love it. Who you know? A girl. Oh, you got, and let me, oh, so cute. Look at the ironing board. Look at that. Super cute. A real little iron, you guys. Super cute. Right? Oh, wait. Now, that is a My Life content that you can purchase from Walmart. Super cute. Came with the ironing board, the little spray, the little iron. Adorable. Okay, we're going to start off with Caitlin. Good morning, Caitlin. Look, Caitlin is showing you the other surprise. We made them a sewing outfit. Don't play with us. Don't play. I got them. I don't know. On their mama. Super cute, right? So Caitlin, Caitlin like to wear yellow. She looks so super cute in yellow. So they have a smock with the little pocket. Because when you're sewing and stuff, to catch your, keep your thread, whatever. And she do have a yellow dress in the back of the smock. Super cute, right? This is Ashley. Hello, Ashley. Look, she got green with that beautiful green eyes. Super cute, lime green. So again, all the dolls are dressed the same. She has on the green dress, see it at the bottom? And then she has on her little green smock. Now listen, on the smock, it got sewing items on there like it has a measuring tape, it has scissors, it has thread. Super cute, you guys. I bought that material from Walmart. So go to Walmart if you're liking that. Walmart do not sleep on you, honey. Okay, now we got Kinsley. Hello, Kinsley. Kinsley's all in red. If anybody know Kinsley, they know red and pink is Kinsley's favorite color. So, of course, she's all decked out with the red. See the little designs on the little smart. Super cute, right? I'll wait. She has a cute little red matching shoes. The dogs are here to work, baby. They are here to do some laundry. They here to make some clothing. They help me. How you think we make all these clothing every week? So I want to show you their laundry room, how we keep everything washed, how we create everything. Here's Paisley. Hello, beautiful. Paisley, if you know anything about Paisley, Paisley tends to go towards the color blue. Yes, she do. So Paisley decided she wants Kinsley to sew something with this beautiful pink and white check. So that's what she's doing. She's assisting, giving Kinsley the material of what she wants sold next. And beautiful Aubrey. Hello, Aubrey. Adorable. Aubrey is holding the scissors and always hold the scissors in the safe way. You got when you hand scissors to someone, you hand them by giving them the handle. Super cute. Good job, girl. And if you know anything about the dogs and Tatum's world, they believe in working together, communicating, because working together and communicating is what makes you successful and what makes you get the job done. Look, the dogs are showing you. Super cute. Hi, Ashley. You guys, so we hope you enjoyed the video. Again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video. The dogs are on their way. They get 200 subscribers. So let's get the dogs there. Make sure you tune in next week. Listen, there are a total of 4 more weeks in April. And we are going to entertain you every week. We are going to post a video. So make sure you come back next week because that video, it's going to be so super cute. You got, and listen, we're going to dedicate that week for the boys. So make sure you tune in next week. The boys just don't get the attention that they deserve. So make sure, and you already know, love you, and see ya.